Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the floorcare.biz x17SS side-by-side. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace your handle release lever right here. Super simple. There's a nut on this side. Get a 17mm wrench. Get this nut off of there. Along with the washers. Hold your handle up. There goes a washer. Now what we need to do is we need to take out this flathead screw right here on the lever itself. Just like that. And now your lever can come off. Now, if you just need to replace the lever just like that, that's all you need to do. If you need to replace the whole thing, get your washers, slide them off, and that piece slides off just like that. Now, to put it back together, just reverse your steps. Make sure you have your washer in place. And as you can see, these washers are slotted differently, so they can only go in the one way. Add that back in. Get your new lever. Line up the holes. Tighten the screw back down. And now we can reattach it to the handle. So we're going to reattach it back through the handle. We're going to move this side down so that we can get the washer back on like it should be. So you'll have one washer on the inside. And then you'll have one washer on the outside. And then take your lock nut. Now get your handle positioned straight up and down. And tighten down the lock nut. Now be careful and don't over tighten it. Just a few quick turns and you are good to go, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.